Back to another episode of Rusted Nuts and Ratchets Garage. Today, as I was getting ready to put this car back on the road, I noticed a flat tire. So what was in there was this here, looks like a sheet metal screw or something. There you go. So in order to, if you're out on the road and this happens, I usually keep one of these kits in my little like travel toolbox. So it comes with a reamer tool, which I already have in the screw hole, and then this little pusher tool. So you take the little rubber strip that comes with it. It has some self-vulcanizing sealant on it. I also keep a little bit of rubber cement as well. Let's see, there you go. Rubber cement. So just to kind of help with the vulcanization process. Now this can be a permanent solution, but sometimes it doesn't stick. I've had them where they've come out and I've ruined a good tire not realizing that it was that low on air. Or maybe it just came out when I was on the highway. So I'll just kind of coat that. And I also coat a bit of the, just coat this here stick of rubber. And I also coat a bit of the pusher tool. So what you do is you'll kind of ream it out to give it like a porous surface to adhere to, and then you take your pusher tool, push the plug in so that it gets in there a bit. Come on. Ouch. Oh, there we go. So that's in the tire a bit. Maybe a little bit more. And then when you pull the pusher tool out, it should come out and the plug will stay in, just like that. So you let that vulcanize, and then you'll nip off the extra piece of rubber. And that's pretty well it. Just straightforward, quick and easy. Pretty well anybody can do it. There you go. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and maybe some notifications too if you feel like it.